Whack! Smack! What was that? You've noticed your shadows, and now you're on the attack. Welcome back to Keep Inspiration Alive. I am Mr. Michael Adams. In our last video here, we spoke about doing shadow work. Transform your life with 4 powerful ways to begin your shadow work journey. And today, we're going into part 2 of this as we unlock your potential in 4 more powerful techniques for shadow work and personal growth. Today, we will be discussing what shadow work is and how you can begin your own shadow work journey. Shadow work is a process of exploring the parts of ourselves that we tend to ignore or suppress, like our fears, insecurities, and negative emotions. By acknowledging and working through these aspects of ourselves, we can begin to heal and grow in a more authentic and integrated way. Let's get to it. To start, consider your relationship with yourself. Are there ways in which you are self-critical or self-sabotaging? Well, try to identify these patterns and work on cultivating self-compassion and self-love. Remember, you are worthy of love and kindness. You are worthy of love and kindness. And self-care is an essential aspect of shadow work. Another helpful tool for shadow work is exploring any unresolved issues or trauma from your past. This could involve working with a therapist. I recommend NLP, Neurological Linguistic Programming, or simply allowing yourself to sit with and process your emotions. By acknowledging and honoring your past experiences, you can begin to release any pent-up emotions and move forward towards healing. Pay attention to your dreams and any recurring themes or symbols. These can be powerful indicators of unconscious patterns and beliefs. By exploring and interpreting these symbols, you have gained greater insight into your inner world and begin to understand the messages that your unconscious is trying to communicate to you. Pay close attention, close attention. Lastly, practice mindfulness meditation, which can help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions and develop a greater self-awareness. By staying present in the moment, you can observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment and begin to develop a deeper understanding of your inner self. Now, in conclusion, shadow work is a powerful tool for personal growth and healing. By exploring the parts of ourselves that we tend to ignore or suppress, we can begin to understand and shift our negative beliefs and patterns. If you are interested in starting your own shadow work journey, I encourage you to try out some of the techniques we discussed today. I'm Mr. Michael Adams, and this is Keep Inspiration Alive. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and my promise to you is to bring you the best strategies, tools, and mindset hacks to overcome fear that is holding you back. We'll see you next time here at Keep Inspiration Alive.